guys, welcome back to my channel. I just thought I would come and show you before I attempt this look that some may think I'm crazy to try to do. I've seen people with type 3 hair attempt the wet look and it always seems to work out well for them, like type 3 on up, but not, you know, nobody in the type 4. I haven't seen anybody do the wet look, and I believe there's a reason for that. And I believe is that it wouldn't work. Like, it's not gonna look wet. But let me say, everyone thinks you're crazy until you do something sensational that no one has ever seen before. And if I am crazy and it doesn't work, at least it'll be entertaining. That's my train of thought right there. Like, okay, so what if it doesn't work? It's a fail. If it does work, I just did something, because to get this, that's another reason why I came on camera before I washed my hair, is to show you what my hair looks like. And so you don't think I'm cheating if it does just to so happen to work out. I don't want y'all thinking I'm cheating. This is what my hair will look like. You know, this has no product in it, so I do want to, you know, disclaim that, but my hair can be really frizzy. And if I'm trying to eliminate all the frizz, because that's the only way it's finna look wet, I need y'all to know that I have a challenge ahead of me. I need y'all to know that this is real. I need y'all to know that, you know, this isn't a game. Like, this isn't a game. It's a game, but it's not a game. I really try hard because my hair does not do this naturally. Like, that's really my point. My hair does not do this naturally. And for my hair to look like what I'm gonna try to get it to look like, it's gonna be a stretch. I'm gonna have to put in work. I'm gonna have to come up with some new type of stuff. So before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you don't miss when I do goofy stuff like this. I also do informational stuff, I would like to think. And if this works, that's informational. And if it don't work, that's informational. So you know you probably can't do it either if you're type 4. Here's an idea, I'm just saying. Or if your hair's as thick as mine. Like, there's so many different things. There's so many different things. But I'm just gonna get into the video by washing my hair. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all my steps. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and my hair has been freshly shampooed and I conditioned it, not deep conditioned, just put some conditioner in it to help with like the detangling process. And I'm gonna use these scrunchies. I got these from Amazon. They will be linked down below because it's in my Amazon store. If y'all haven't checked that out already, y'all should probably just go ahead and do that. Might find something because y'all always ask me where I get stuff from. The tea. So I'm just gonna use this to separate my hair because sections. This is how we do things. We always divide and conquer. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I got a young middle part going on right now. And I really don't do middle parts, but I figured this might look the cutest if my hair actually does do the little wet look thing that I'm going for. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take some water. And I mean, it's the wet look, so I don't know what you expected. So I am gonna be using a leave-in, but it is a very light leave-in. At least I consider it to be a light leave-in. This is the White Peony Leave-In Conditioner by Miel Organics. It comes in a spray. Usually if things come in sprays, you know it can't be too heavy duty. But I'm not gonna go like super crazy with it. But I do need some to moisturize. But the gel I'm about to use is actually very moisturizing, so that's why I'm not going super heavy. So already so soon, I'm gonna go in with this moisturizing curling jelly, which is gonna be my gel. It's by Curl Essence, and to be honest, y'all, it reminds me of flaxseed gel. And I really rock with flaxseed gel heavy. If you haven't seen me make flaxseed gel from scratch, I'll have it linked up there. But the consistency is like really like flaxseed gel. So I feel like I got a good chance. And I'm really gonna lather this bad boy on. I'm not going light with this. So now for my last product, I'm going to be using the Texture ID Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. Okay, this bad boy right here. I'm not gonna go crazy with it yet. It's like, I think that should be good. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's running. And from what I saw when I was looking at these videos, people was like, you need to weigh down the curls. Okay, so I'm trying to commit to that. I really am. Weigh them down with some foam. Think I might have put too much foam on it, but it's okay because I still got many sections left. Definitely put too much foam. Didn't seem like this much foam. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need to tone down the product usage. You know, you live and you learn. My first time doing this, just a little less product, a lot less product maybe. So I'm gonna just go through and repeat this process all over my head, and we gonna see what I'm working with, but it's the same steps all over. Okay, y'all, so I did both sides. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna add more foam and more water to really kind of give it that sleek look. Heavy is the head that is weighed down with product, let me tell you. Okay, now I'm gonna apply some Chi Silk Infusion, which looks like this. I usually use this when I'm going to heat style my hair to make it like sleek and shiny. But today I'm trying to be sleek and shiny with the curly hair, so that's why I thought it would be perfect maybe. I don't know, but I know I put way too much. Okay, so in the front, like from here to here, since my bangs are gonna be so ridiculously short, when it dries, or just because my bangs are like shorter than the rest of my hair, I am going to tuck it behind my ear. Now, will it stay behind my ear? Is the real valid question here. But yeah, so basically, I'm gonna do this on both sides. I don't think it's gonna stay behind my ear because I can feel it moving. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry. I'm gonna sit under the dryer under the cool setting and see what it do and see if it still looks like this. But I am gonna like let you guys see what it looks like while it's actually wet to see if I can really get the wet look. Okay, y'all, so these are my results. Now, would I consider this necessarily the wet look? No. So I kind of consider this a fail, but also not a fail because I would definitely wear my hair like this. And honestly, once it gets volume and stuff like that, this is a whole look. It's just not the wet look, the look that I was going for. Honestly, I don't think it's really possible for like type 4 hair. Personally, I don't think it is. Now, I could be wrong. If somebody comes up with it, let me know and I'm gonna try their method. But the method that I tried, which was really trying to weigh it down with foam and then making sure my hair is thoroughly detangled and then adding some shine stuff, didn't really do much. I mean, it did. It made my hair like calm, more calm than normal. And there's way less frizz, but y'all know that I usually welcome frizz with open arms. That ain't no problem. But for the wet look, I was really trying to reduce the frizz. So, I mean, it just don't look wet if you ask me. Like, it just don't look wet. It looks tame and like each curl is really defined, but it ain't wet and it ain't fooling nobody, honestly. So I'm gonna show y'all, like, give you a little 360 of what I'm working with. But all in all, not bad, just not what I was going for. It is completely dry. So there's that. So I really didn't want to cheat y'all because I know some people, they be like, the wet look, and then they don't let their hair completely dry and they're like, look, I got the best results ever. No, my hair is completely dry. It don't look wet. That's it. That's all. Not saying there's anything wrong with that. All right, so comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of my results. I know they did not turn out the way I originally planned, but still I wanna know what you guys think, because this is still a more tame look for me. It may not be the wet look, but it's not as big as it normally is. It is more tame, more controlled. So comment down below, let me know what you think. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because your girl tried. Thumbs up for effort. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.